Hey everyone, my name is Mads. I'm here to show you the basic concepts of what Niimblr is all about. Now, first, it's important for me to stress that Niimblr's mission is to help creators and their clients everywhere to get a smoother and more efficient feedback and approval flow. That is the core reason for why we built Niimblr, and that's also why we invite you to collaborate with us in making the platform better. So do reach out, contact us if there's any changes you would like to see. But let's get to it. Here's the platform. Once you create a user, this is basically what you will see. You'll see an empty dashboard. And the dashboard is where you can quickly see all the assets that have been uploaded and get an overview of all the projects that you are participating in, which is obviously right now empty. So I'll start by creating a new project. I'll give it this name, my first project, and it will appear like this. There's not anything, no assets in it right now. So what I'll do is I'll navigate into sort of the next conceptual layer, which is the project view. Now in the project view, you have a basic Kanban board consisting of 4 columns. It's a to-do, in progress, ready for review, and approved column. On the right side, you have a project settings panel where you can see the project title. You can add a description if you want to describe the outcome of the project, the amount of assets, and so on. You can add any other material like images, videos, links to drive files, or whatever you want. But this is also very important, that this is also where you invite your collaborators. You do that simply by pressing this Add a User button, type in their email, select what role they should be, and just have them as a member as default if you want. And then once you press Add the User, they'll receive an invite via email that they just need to accept, and then they get in on the platform. It's really as simple as that. Now this project is empty right now, so I'll just take an asset and drag and drop it onto the Add an Asset button, or you could use the gray button to just open a file explorer and then select what content you want uploaded. So now it's uploaded, and I'll drag it straight into the ready for review. I'll then navigate into the third and final layer of Niimblr. This is the annotation layer. Now in here, it's super easy to get started on just adding a comment. You can write something like just or something. You can also set a pin if you want to point at something inside the image space. You can also, of course, add any drawing annotations if you want to highlight something that's a bit more advanced, and just say, remove this tree. So it's really as simple as that to get started in just giving comments. All comments will appear inside the side panel, and you can reply if you want to do that. You can also just give a thumbs up for this. And then, of course, what you can also do, which is super important, is once you have invited a collaborator, you can assign them as the approver if you want to make it super visible that that is the person who needs to take action next. And that is really it. This is the way you can create a lot of projects, have an overview in one place, and make sure that all your feedback and annotations are gathered in one place. Thank you so much for choosing Niimblr. We are a young startup based out of Copenhagen, Denmark, and we do appreciate all the feedback we can get. So do get in touch if you want to talk about how we can create a better platform for you to make the feedback and approval process smoother for everyone, everywhere.